passing by, and you always wonder why. Why can't I just change my life? Quit the job, just wake up late. Stop doing things you hate. Just give you a chance to relax. Take your time that you have earned. You deserve a chance to crash and burn. Sometimes there's room for mistakes. You might cross the wire, look like a fool without safety line. Life can be cruel, it'll make you feel alive. Come on and walk on the other side. Don't go with the flow, take it nice and slow. Don't twiddle your eggs. Never be afraid to hide, 'cause they wanna know where you go, so just relax. Take your time to relax. Just relax.